Study the following double bar graph and answer the questions given below. So double bar graph is also nothing but Satika. This is to compare the things. For example, here if you observe this fifth class itself, the question is about the number of students and different classes are given in the x-axis. So now the question, this each rectangle is about the boys and girls, I think, Satika.
Yes, sir.
So in fifth class boys and girls, sixth class boys and girls, seventh class boys and girls, like that to compare, or we can just compare the things easily in this way. So now the first question is, in which class the number of boys and the number of girls are equal. So for this, simply we need to check equal heights, Satika. Equal heights, are these equal?
Sir.
Are these equal, Satika, heights wise? The first question is, in which class the number of boys and number of girls are equal? Is equal. So
9.
heights are not same. Heights are not same.
9.
Heights are not. Yes, because ninth class heights are same. So that is the reason why simply here they didn't ask the number, only class they said. So ninth class is the answer. Heights of rectangle must be same. Then next one, in which class the total number of students is less in number compared to other classes. This also, Satika, you need not like, since the means total number of students
8.
is less than number compared to other classes, means what we should do, Satika? Here also we need to check simply the lowest heights of the rectangles. Yes, Satika. If you compare the rectangle heights, you can see this is the lowest.
Yes.
Satika. So we need not even count the numbers on. You can directly tell. Okay. The heights are smaller for this class. So that is the reason why answer is okay, Satika.
Okay, sir.
The total individual numbers counting is also not required. By looking at the heights only, we can tell. If heights are matching almost, means then numbers will count. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's take the next one. Compared to boys, which classes have a greater number of girls? Compared to boys, which classes have the greater number of girls? So simply, so here they said that the first one is boys, I think, Satika. In everything, the first box is the boys, second one is a girls.
Okay.
Okay. So which compared to boys, which classes have the greater number of girls? Greater number of girls means simply, Satika, here we need to check which one, Satika, can you tell?
So first one is boys, right?
Is Satvika, because here picture is not clear, but maybe first one is boys only, dark one.
Okay, sir.
Is Satvika.
For 10th.
Satvika, the answer is if you observe in 10th, if you see the here the boys is smaller than girls. First one is boys and second one is girls. So we can see boys' height is smaller than the girls' height. Satvika here.
Yes.
Fifth class. Fifth class, if you see the height, this is still here only, whereas the other one is little above. Okay.
Yes.
So one is fifth class. Second one is this is high, this is low. Third one also this is high. First one is high, second one is low. Similarly, next one equal, and this one high.
Okay.
So answer is
Fifth.
answer is
Fifth.
fifth and
10th.
is this one. So answer is which can have the greater number of boys? Fifth and tenth. Next one, sir. Shall we go to the next one?
Sir?
Shall we go to the next 5th and 10th class? Both of them we should write, Satvika, for the CB.
Okay, sir.
Shall we go to the next one, Satvika? You know?
No, sir.
Okay, Satvika. Now next one is complete the frequency distribution table. Yes, Satvika, please read the question quickly.
Complete the frequency distribution table and answer the following questions. The following marks out of 10 out of 30 students of the class.
Yes, Satvika. Means here, Satvika, frequency distribution table means we will do it using the tally marks. Like means there are in total 30 students marks are there here, Satvika. In the class,
Yes.
there are 30 students of the class. Means whatever each student got out of 10 marks, they have marked it. They have written it. Okay. Now we need to properly arrange these. How many students scored 3 marks? How many students scored 4 marks? Like that.
Okay.
Okay. In exam, they will give you just till here on this. This table which they marked also, they will not give you. We should only draw this. Okay. Means they will give you only question till here on. Understood, Satika?
Okay, sir.
This table which they marked it, they will not give us. We should only draw it.
Okay.
So here, what is the first column? First column is the marks, different marks, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever different marks that are available here, Satika, we need to observe it and we need to write in ascending order, 3 to smaller to bigger.
Okay.
First column. Okay. Satika, is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Satika.
Sir, did you call me?
Yes, Satika. It means first step is to arrange the marks in ascending order, Satika. Smaller to
Yes.
greater. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we have different marks. Suppose 2 is also there, means 2 will come first. Is it okay, Satika?
Sir?
Is that okay? If 2 marks is also there, means we write 2 first.
Yes.
Okay. So now, Satika,
Okay,
you're fully focusing now.
yes.
Now, first I'm counting 3, Satika. How many 3s are there? I'm just crossing here. 1, 2.
So, two.
Any more? Only
No.
2, no, Satika.
Yes.
So I'll mark 2 tally marks here and I'll write number of students.
Okay, sir.
Then next, red color I'm using 4, Satika. 4, 1, 2,
3.
only 2, 3,
So,
3,
only 3
Satika.
are there.
Then black is finished for 3 and 3. Then next, 5, Satika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are there any 5, Satika?
No, sir.
Yes, Satika. So 1, 5, 5 what we should do, Satika? 4 after drawing, we should cross it.
Yes, sir.
Then we should write 5 here.
Yes.
Then after that,
6.
6, 1,
1,
2,
3, 4. So, 4.
3, 4. 4, no, Satika. So we'll 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4. So we should write 4. Then 7. 7 means Satika. 1, 2,
So, 2 are only there.
yes, Satika, that is correct. Then 8, Satika. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4. Okay.
yes.
Then after that, Satika,
9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are there anything else, Satvika?
No, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fifth one we should cross it, Satvika. Okay.
Sir,
Fifth one we should cross it. Is that okay, Satvika?
okay, sir.
Then 10th one finally. 10
Sir,
marks.
in tally mark, can we write 2 like this?
No, Satvika. 2 means it like this, Satvika. 2 vertical lines.
From which number do we have to write like that?
Cross marker.
Yes.
Every fifth number you should cross it, Satvika. Like for example, if you see this 5, 5 or there means we have drawn 4, and fifth one we should strike it, and then sixth one onwards you should count again. Then again 10th one you should strike it. Like. Means every strike will meaning is 5, 5 like. Okay. Suppose for example, if you see just before 9 I have drawn, no? 9.
Yes.
What did I do? 9 came 6 times, no? So no.
Yes, sir.
6 times means what did I do? I have done 4, then fifth one I strike it, which means it is 5.
Mm.
Okay. Then sixth one I have drawn it. 5 plus 1, 6. Any doubts, Sarpika? One step.
No, sir. Sir
Is
means,
the doubt clarified? Yes, Sarpika.
yes, sir. Sir, then 10, do we have to write it like this? And then I draw
5,
another.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 we should strike it again. Like
So
that.
like
5 and
this.
11 onwards it will count. It should
So
come
like this.
starting to ending. Striking should be done from starting. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Satvika, that is 10. Again 11 onwards again we will count like that. 15 again you should strike it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Satvika. Now any doubts, Satvika?
No, sir.
Now 10, Satvika. 10, how many are there? 1,
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 4, 4. No?
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, whether you got correct or not, you have counted everything or not, you have doubt means, Satvika. You have
No,
to
sir.
add this third column. Means, whether suppose sometimes by mistake we miss some numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if to verify that one, you have to add this third column. If you add all these, we should get total 30 students are there. No? So whether all the 30 people are included or not, we will get it. If you don't get 30 here, then we might have forgotten some, like
Okay, sir.
either 3 or 4 or some 5 or some number you missed some. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5
5 plus
plus 3,
5, 10. 10 plus
10
4,
plus 4,
14,
14.
16, 20,
16.
26, 30.
So we didn't miss anything. So this column is called as frequency column. What will you call?
Frequency column.
Frequency. What is frequency? Number of times. You have to remember this, Satvika. In 1 mark it will come. Number of times a particular observation, a particular observation repeats itself is called as its frequency. Means what, like for example here, Satvika, what is this 2 in the first column? This 2 is what? This 2 tells us how many times 3 came, no?
Yes.
This next three is after 2. This 3 tells us how many times 4 is there in that list.
Yes,
So no.
sir.
Similarly, this 5 tells us how many times 5 is there, like that. So how many times a particular observation repeating or repeats itself in this given data is called as frequency of it, Satika. Okay. Understood, Satika?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Like that, Satika. So this is important one marker, Satika. Recently, what is data, Satika? The random collection of information is called as raw data. That is one marker.
Yes.
Okay. This is frequency definition. What is this third column? Indirectly, it's
Num-
called number of students we are writing. It's frequency actually. Number of times this particular data is repeating. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Satvik. And we already discussed range, Satvika. Range is the highest observation minus lowest observation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Satvika. So here, observe number of times a particular observation means what, Satvika? Observation means the data of this thing, this particular individual element. Okay, whatever that we are talking about. Okay, like 5 marks, 6 marks. That is observation. Is that
Okay,
okay,
sir.
Satvika? Yes, Satvika. Shall we go to the next question?
Okay, sir.
Now they have asked even few questions in it, Satvika. What is the maximum mark obtained? First question. What is the maximum mark obtained? What is the answer, Satvika?
10.
Yes, Satvika. First A bit is finished. The column, the box is A bit. B bit is 10 maximum marks. What is the minimum mark obtained?
3.
Yes, Satvika. 3 is correct. Then next one, Satvika. Find the range of the data. Range is nothing but, Satvika, highest minus
No.
lowest. So highest in this data is about the marks. Highest is how much, Satvika? It's nothing but indirectly the difference between B and C. Okay, understood, Satvika?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Range of this data?
7.
Yes, Satvika. 10 highest, maximum minus lowest 7. So Satvika, I'll check in your answer sheet, Satvika. These are very easy to score, should not make mistake. 100% it will come. Okay, Satvika?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Satvika. E bit, Satvika. Find the number of students who got more than 7 marks. So more than 7 marks, what is the meaning of the question? Can you tell, Satvika? Find the number of students who got
They're
more than 7
asking
marks
us
means
to
what is the meaning?
find the number of students who got more than 7.
Yes, Satvika. So how can we answer that easily, Satvika? From the table only, because we did the table for our convenience only,
Yes, sir.
This again we need not count it from the original question, Satvika. Means what I'm trying to tell is from here you should not count it. It will take time. This table we have written the table for that convenience only. Now here more than 7 means what we already wrote how many students got individual marks like this, no?
Yes, sir.
So from this table only you should tell the answer. More than 7 means what we should count, Satvika, no?
8, 9, and 10.
Yes, Satvika. Means should we add 8, 9, and 10 or
Sir?
should we add 8 and 10, Satvika?
Sir, I didn't get you.
Is no, how many students got more than 7 means? Should we add 8, 9, and 10, Satvika? Yes, Satvika?
Uh, no, sir.
Actually, 8, 9, and 10 classes students we should, sorry, 8, 9, 10 marks, how many students got? Those we should add. Frequency, column, this. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Means 8, 9 and 10 is the marks. They're asking us to check the number of students who got those marks. Number of students means what? Third column, frequency.
Okay, sir.
So how many students got 8 marks? We wrote it already in the table. How many students got 8 marks? Sir?
Sir, 4.
So how many students got 9 marks?
6.
And finally, how many students got 10 marks?
4.
Satvika?
4.
Yes, Satvika. So how much is the total?
Sir, 14.
4 plus 6, 10, 14. So 14 students got more than 7, Satvika. If they say suppose more than or equal to 7 means you should count 2 also. Equal to
Okay, sir.
7. So Satvika, I think you understood clearly, why we are adding these three.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Satvika. So answer is 14 for the number of students who got 7 more than 7 from the table. We already 14 students got more than. Okay, Satvika, we will go to the next question. So Satvika, next one, draw a pictograph for the number of. So read the heading, Satvika.
Or draw a pictograph for the number of wristwatches manufactured by a company in a particular week using an appropriate scale.
So Satvika, we can see most of the numbers are actually multiples of 100.
Yes, sir.
So we'll take one picture as 100. If then 650, what we should do? 6 pictures we should draw, and one more picture, half only we'll draw. 15,
Yes, sir.
like that. So pictograph means we know that the data will be represented in the form of pictures. And this question is about the number of wristwatches.
Like this, right?
Satvika?
Select this thing.
Hmm?
Sir,
Satvika, you're asking it out.
yes, sir. So pictograph means do we have to draw like this? Wait.
This means Satvika identification.
Sir?
Like this. Like this.
Yes, sir.
That is bar graph, sir. These are called as bars, rectangular bars. Okay. These are called as bar graphs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
These are called bars, actually, rectangular bars. So where the bars, rectangular bars will be there, that is bar graph. The pictograph means it will be like this, Satvika. First, this is about the means information is about the number of wristwatches manufactured by a company in a particular week on each day, Satvika. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how to draw is like this, Satvika. First, here means days. The column should be like this. So here what I am taking is Satvika Monday first, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Any notes, Satvika?
No, sir.
Now what we should do is Satvika pictograph means one
Sir,
picture, one picture count. Let us take, I am taking a rectangular square, Satvika, okay? One picture, I am keeping it as 100 watches.
okay, sir.
Or stars also, you can give any picture of your work. Any
Okay.
picture of your choice. So now what I'll do is Satvika, Monday, how many are there in total?
Monday, 800.
So how many pictures I should draw, Satvika? Each picture is 100 means?
8.
Yes, Satvika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, Tuesday, 700. How many should I draw, Satvika?
Sir, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then next one, Satvika. 650. How many should I draw?
So you have to draw
When
6 and another box you have to like make it half.
is Satvika? Means we should make it little smaller.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So like this, right?
Or else you can draw fuller and shade half only.
Okay, sir.
Which means it is 650. The next one is Satvika.
Thursday, 600, so 6.
It's Satvika. Friday.
Friday, 550. We have to draw 5
And then
and
again in the sixth one,
half,
only half.
and 850. Saturday, 850. So
1,
8
2,
watches and half.
4, 5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7, 8,
8.
and half. So half.
And in the last one, it means
So
the shaded
sum
part,
is this.
shaded part, shaded part, which means half Satvika. Okay. Is it
Okay, sir.
okay, Satvika? No, Sunday is not there, Satvika. So the third column will just write the number. It is frequency, we'll call. How many times? How many are there? That column simply will call what, Satvika?
Sir?
Frequency. The third column will call number. Means how many are there that we should write.
Yes, sir.
800. This is 800.
800,
Frequency
700.
is actually what we'll call, Satvika, that one frequency. Okay.
Sir?
This we will
Yes,
call
sir.
frequency. How many are there means each day means that is not about frequency. Is that okay? Satvika? Can you know?
Yes, sir.
Can you know, Satvika?
No, sir. We write number of watches also, right?
Ah, yes, Satvika. Number of watches also you can write simply.
Sir, can I
Number
write
of
number of watches in exam?
yes, Satvika. Number of watches also you can write. But you have to remember the frequency definition. The number
Yes,
of
sir.
times the thing repeats itself is called as
Frequency.
frequency. Yes, sir. The next one 800 and 700, then 650, then 600, then 550,
550.
and then
850.
yes, need out, Satika.
No, sir.
Okay, sir. But this is here scale is nothing but this only, Satika. They
Okay, sir.
said clearly using an appropriate scale means what, one picture you're taking it as 100 watches. That is only the scale. Using which if you're drawing 6 pictures means it is 600. That's the name. 5 pictures means 500. That is only the scale. Any doubts, Satika?
No, sir.
Okay, Satika, shall we go to the next one?
Okay, sir.
Satika. So here you can see the data is in the form of pictures, so it is called as pictogram.
Okay, sir.
In multiple choice you'll get that. If the data is in pictures form, it is pictograph. If it is in the bar form, it is bar graph.
Okay, sir.
The 10th one, Satika, answer the question.
In a class of 30 students, marks obtained in a class test are given below. Show this data in a tabular form using tally marks.
Yes, Satika. So Satika, they said that clearly 30 students are there in this class.
Yes.
Marks again same, Satika. Each student got how many marks they gave it.
Yes.
So this data
Did
they are
right?
in tally. Satika?
Nothing, sir.
Yes, Satika. So this is same like the one which we did one before, Satika.
Yes, sir.
So this time you will do Satika once and you will send the picture now only. I think you
Okay, sir.
understood it. Yes, sir. So 11th one, observe the following paragraph and answer the following questions. Okay, about how many teams participated in 2006, which year did had
Sir, sir, should I do it?
is Satvika. Is Satvika, because the last step was to verify the answers. So rectangular bar graphs can be there vertically or horizontally like this Satvika. This time they gave the graphs, bar graphs on y-axis. However, x-axis or y-axis, anyway they can give the bar graphs. Okay, bars, rectangular bars can be drawn anyway Satvika, either vertically or horizontally. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts, Satvika?
No, sir.
Okay, Satvika. So here 2000 of about how many teams participated in 2006 means
Mm,
if you observe Satvika 2006 where it is touching, this
Sir,
is the height
83. I think it's 83.
because it's more than yes, Satvika. It's 80 to 85. 5 means it is more than half, little more than half. So let us take 80 to 83, Satvika.
Sir, it is yes.
80. So 2006 it is 83. Then which year had the highest participation?
In the number of teams in 2000,
Which
which
year had the highest?
2000, 2008.
Yes, Satvika, that is correct. So the longest length we have to observe. Then next one, Satvika, the number of teams in 2008 had doubled in 2010. So Satvika, once you'll try to understand this question, if the number of teams in
Sir, your voice is breaking.
2008 had doubled in 2000. For the question.
Sir?
Hello, Satvika, can you hear me, Satvika?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Satvika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Satvika. What is the number of teams in 2008, Satvika?
95. So 95. Sir?
How much, sir?
Sir? Sir?
Satvika, number of teams in 2008 is how much?
Sir, can you once show the worksheet?
Yes, Satvika. Number of teams in 2008 is how much, Satvika? Actually,
95.
so doubled in 2010 means what? In 2010, how much it will become? Doubled means as per that 95 doubled means into 2. So how much?
190.
So if suppose whatever the teams that are there in 2008, they are doubled in 2010. How many teams would have participated in 2010 means it is 190. Understood, Satvika. We should not write this 2010 value, Satvika. This one we should not write. This question is imaginary question. Imaginary means if the teams in 2008 are doubled in 2010, the teams would have been how much means 95 into 2?
Okay, sir.
Understood, Satvika, clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Satvika, 12 to 1, Satvika. The bar graph given below shows the marks of
Of a
students in
student
common.
in term one examination.
Yes, Satvika. So what we can understand from the bars here, they have given the bars with different subjects, Satvika.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and they clearly mentioned that the bars are of different subjects. And if you observe, Satvika, Hindi it is 80 marks, in English it is 60 marks. Okay, so they have we can clearly tell the marks of each subject from the graph. Now, what is the first question? Read it, Satvika, first.
If 50 is a passing mark, then how many subjects did he fail?
Yes, Satvika means 50 is a passing mark means what, Satvika? Less than 50, whatever he got, those he failed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So less than 50 means how many, Satvika?
Um, sir,
Less than 50. How many he got? Less than 50 in which subjects he got, Satvika? By looking at the height, you can tell. 50 means still where
I got
because
science and social studies. Science and
yes, Satvika, 50 means still here, Satvika.
yes, sir.
Means is it exactly matching with 50 science?
Okay,
Is
sir.
science matching with 50, Satvika? Or is it lesser than that?
Sir,
Is science matching with 50 or is lesser than that, Satvika?
sir, science is lesser than that. Sorry, matching with 50.
Matching, Satvika?
Yes, sir.
It's looking slightly less for me, Satvika, actually. But okay, we'll
I
take it.
think it's matching.
Okay, Satvika, then we should not write science for that.
Okay, sir.
If matches means we should not, because 50 is the passing mark, they said. So 50 he got means he passed. How many subjects he failed means the failed ones only we should check, Satvika.
Okay, sir.
Then next one, Satvika. So answer is social science. Only social studies he got less than. Science exact. I think science is just because 50 means,
Yes.
Satvika, to draw it's little lesser and feelings, Satvika, science.
Yes, sir.
Little lesser. Okay.
Okay.
Little lesser I'm feeling science. So science and social letters because it's not exactly matching with 50.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Satvika. Next one, Satvika. If 80 to 90 is considered as A2, in which subject did he get A2?
Sir,
80 to 90. Second question. Once read it, Satvika. Second.
if 80 to 90 is considered as A2, in which subject did he get A2? 80 to 90. Say got A2 in Hindi.
Yes, Satvika.
Sir,
Hindi, yes, Satvika, that is correct. Hindi, he got more than 8. It's in between 80. Then, how many subjects did he get 60% and above?
Hindi and math.
Yes, Satvika. 60%. Satika, third one you said, Ajesh, no?
Sir?
Third one you said,
Yes, sir.
So 60% and above means
Hindi,
what?
in Hindi and Hindi, English, and
Satika, Hindi, English, English is 60%, okay, exactly 68 English. Then, Satika, Hindi, English,
Hindi, English, and math.
yes, Satika, that is correct. Maths is again more than 60.
Um,
Then find his total marks.
sir, can you give me some time? I'll do it.
Yes, Satika. Actually, science, your teacher took it as 50, Satika. It's slightly lesser than 50 science.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Satika, here outside some noises are there. You are hearing any noises?
Sir?
So hearing any disturbance or noises from my side, Satika, outside some noises are there.
Yes, sir, a little bit.
Satika, it's actually outside the. What, Satika?
Sir, I got 300.
Satika, once we check it. So if you see total marks, maths he got, Hindi he got 80, then English he got 60, and maths
70.
he got 70, science he got around
50.
49, 50 you took it, Satika.
So if we estimate, we will get 50.
If Satika, then 50 will take it, and then social studies he got 40,
40.
Satika. Then you add all these, then you'll get 14 plus 7, 21 plus 5, 26 plus 4, 30. 300, no, Satika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Satika, that is correct. And finally, fifth bit, Satika, scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to.
Sir, one
So,
sec.
means every 1 centimeter, how many marks did they take, Satika, on y-axis? Means every actually in graph sheet, Satika, you'll have centimeter, every centimeter gap will go. You might have observed the graph. 1 centimeter. Okay. So no, Satika.
Yes, sir.
So here on y-axis on every box of 1 centimeter, they took it as 10 marks. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So graph on graph sheet 100% we should mark the scale, sir. That is, they gave it here. 1 unit on y-axis, they took it as
10,
how many marks, Satika?
10 marks.
Yes, Satvika. So answer is this only. On y-axis, I took every 1 centimeter, 10 marks. So 2 centimeters became 20 marks. 3 centimeters, 30 marks, like that. Is it
Yes.
okay, Satvika?
Okay.
Okay, Satvika, we'll go to the next one.
Yeah.
We'll go to the next question.
Okay.
Yes. I think is this the last? Okay, one more is there. 14. Oh, two more answers. Let's read the question, Satvika.
Yes, sir. The following table shows the monthly salary in rupees of 8 employees of a company.
So, Satvika, these 8, I think this is reverse, Satvika. 12th one, they gave the bar graph. Now we need to draw the bar graph. We
Yes,
have
sir.
to do it in map sheet, Satvika. You'll do it, Satvika.
Yes, sir.
Once you can try, Satvika, if any mistake is in go, I'll explain how to draw.
I don't have the graph sheet.
Satvika, by tomorrow's class, we will do it, Satvika, as homework this one.
Yes, sir.
But if in the next class, you can do it, Satvika. In the class only, you can bring the map sheet. We'll go to the 14th one.
Okay, sir.
Satvika, 14th one, once we read the question, but
The bar graph given below shows the number of pets owned by students in a class. Sharing about our pets can help us understand and appreciate each other's experiences, building empathy and strong friendships. So the bar graph to answer the question,
yes, Satvika.
which pet is the least popular among the students and how many of such pets exist? So this bar graph sheet is a bit blurred.
Satvika,
So the bar graph sheet is a bit blurred.
yes, Satvika. Actually, which pet is
Names
the
are not
least popular?
visible.
Satvika?
So the names are not visible.
Yes, Satvika. In the print, it is very, very light actually. Cats, I think something else. You had the worksheet with you, Satvika, I think printed one.
No, sir.